It has been nearly 3 months since Tyler's Total Healthcare clinic shut down.
And some patients are still trying to get copies of their own health records. CBS 19's Field Sutton has been covering Total Care's operations even before they shut down. He joins us now. And Field, you've uncovered where all those records went.
Yeah, across town to Tyler Family Circle of Care, and the folks there were not expecting to get the records. They had no idea what a challenge it would be to sort through them and get them back to people. When the doors closed at Tyler's Total Healthcare, for some, a small yellow sign was the only sign that things went wrong. Recently, a Social Security disability claims agent wrote to CBS 19, frustrated over the hunt for a client's health records. She wrote, "I had faxed several requests to THC for her medical records, but they had not responded prior to the shutdown. When we started digging, the answer was at the same time simple and complicated."
It was a surprise that Total Healthcare was closing, and it was also a surprise that their records would be coming to us.
Tyler Family Circle of Care C.O.O. Andrea Anderson says her clinic has had the records for a while now.
It's brought in an influx.
The problem is those records are a mix of paper and electronic. The electronic ones are incomplete, and most of the paper ones are in a warehouse.
They had a very different system of logging those than we do. They used a paper log system, so you can imagine the challenge with retrieval of those records.
Circle of Care employees have been working huge amounts of overtime for months, trying to figure out what's there and make it available to people. Anderson says on top of that, her clinic is undergoing forced expansion, absorbing Total Healthcare's patients. She's proud of how they're handling the challenge.
Challenge in regard to patients who were very frustrated that their clinic had closed. There were patients who were challenged and frustrated that they were not able to obtain their records before that clinic closed.
We did get back to the people who contacted us originally and let them know where those records are. The folks at Tyler Family Circle of Care say they have two goals right now, Justin and Jillian, serving patients and making sure they get those records to the people that need them.
What a mess, though, to sort through all that.
I can't even imagine.
All right, thank you, Field.
All right, Field, thank you. And you can also pick up your old records from Total Healthcare by filling out a form and showing photo ID.
And you can go to either the Tyler Family Circle of Care Clinic, which is on North Broadway, or Houston Street.